Thanks to our Maldives customers for purchasing P1.86 indoor EA640F2 32 pieces, P5 outdoor EA960R3 equals 6 pieces, P5 outdoor EA1280R1 equals 12 pieces. EA640F2 is an LED display with excellent visual effects. It is widely used in various indoor fixed installation places such as commercial display, conference room, exhibition hall, etc., providing clear and delicate picture quality to meet high-end display needs. The EA640F2 indoor LED display has a stunning appearance. The LED module, power supply, and receiving card are all designed with front maintenance. It is an ideal solution for indoor fixed installation front maintenance screen. The advertising screen cabinets of EA960R3 and EA1280R1 are made of magnesium alloy, which is sturdy and durable, suitable for various indoor and outdoor applications, including fixed installation and rental. Thank you very much for choosing EagerLED. This cooperation is a valuable opportunity and affirmation for us. We will continue to pursue higher quality and better service for customers.